Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to download and create account in Zoom. First, go to Google or any web browser on your computer. Then type Zoom on the search bar. Click Download under Zoom Video Conferencing. After that you will see Zoom Client for Meetings, then click the download icon below. Once the download is done, select the file below and click Open. Zoom will automatically start installing, just wait for a few moments. Once the installation is done, you will get this options: join a meeting or sign in. Click Sign In. If you already have an account, you can just enter your email, enter the password and sign in. But if you don't have an account in Zoom, you need to sign up, and that option is at the lower right which says Sign Up Free. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will be directed to verification of your birth date. Please confirm the date and click Continue. After that, you be directed back to the browser where you need to enter your email address. You need to enter a valid email address. It can be Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, etc. Next, click Sign Up button.
There will be CAPTCHA images that you need to answer for verification purposes.
You need to select and pick the images based on given questions. After that, click the Verify button below. After you click the Verify button, you will receive a confirmation link in the email address that you provided. Click the confirmation link in that email to begin using Zoom. Open your email account. You'll find an email from Zoom titled, "Please activate your Zoom account." Next, open that email and click the Activate Account button. On the next web page, you need to enter your first name, last name, and preferred password. Retype password to confirm. Once done, click the Continue button. And then so you're basically done with tab number 1, which is basically account info. Now you're on the second one, which is invite colleagues but not compulsory. You just can tick I'm not a robot and skip the step. Now click Go to My Account button. Congrats, you just have successfully created your own Zoom account. In your account you can edit your profile and you can also change your profile picture. You can now create or join a meeting using your Zoom account. Thank you for watching.